Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is all about using Notion for travel itinerary planning, a complete guide for 2025. Let's dive right in. The first step is to create a new page on Notion. Simply click on the plus icon and select New Page. This is where all your travel plans will reside. This is an essential step as it sets the foundation for your entire travel itinerary. Now that we've done that, it's time to set up your itinerary template. To do this, click on the Templates button and choose the Travel Planner option. If there isn't one, you can manually create sections for accommodation, flights, attractions, and more. This helps us because it gives structure to our travel plans, making it easier to manage. Next up, we'll start filling in the details. For example, under Flights, you can list down your flight details like departure and arrival times and flight numbers. The reason we do this is to ensure all travel details are in one place, making it easier to access and less likely to forget something. Following this, we will add a task list. Click on the Add a To-Do List option and start listing down tasks that need to be completed before your trip. This could include packing, buying travel insurance, or even booking airport transfers. This helps us because it keeps us organized and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Now, let's talk about the calendar. Add a calendar view to your template and start plotting your daily travel activities. You can add notes to each calendar entry, providing more details about your plans. Let me explain why this matters. Having a visual representation of your itinerary allows you to see your travel plans at a glance and make necessary changes easily. Lastly, don't forget to sync your Notion travel planner with your phone. This ensures that your travel itinerary is always accessible, even when you're on the go. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you make changes on your Notion page, it automatically updates on your phone too, ensuring your travel plans are always up to date. That's all for today's guide on how to use Notion for travel itinerary planning. As you can see, it's a powerful tool that helps streamline our travel planning process, ensuring we have all the information we need at our fingertips. Thanks for tuning in and happy planning.